Alright, how y'all doing today? Thank y'all for watching Travis's Garage. In today's episode, I figured we would just do a cold start on the Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger with the V6 with an exhaust, and then start up the Mustang and the Acura, do a cold start and see how they want to run today. So, I guess without further ado, let's get on into it. Let's see if the old girl wants to start today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she sounds good right now. And you know, we got the Acura right here and the Mustang. Give her a little rev, see how she sounds. That sounds good, I think. Now, I know it ain't no Hellcat, but that's alright. I guess we'll do the Mustang. Start this old girl up. See if she wants to run today. It was about 40 degrees this morning. Yes, I am a dealer, a car dealer. Got my dealer's license, y'all. Yeah, I got to get a new belt put on the old girl, but she's running pretty good this morning too. All right. Now, let's see. There we go. Proper cold start today. I told y'all it's chilly out here today. There was a little bit of frost on the roofs. I just love the way this Charger sounds. I can't get over it, you know. But alright. Let's move on to something else, y'all. Alright, I guess let's start this old hunky clunky dunker up. This old Acura right here. Now, believe it or not, these are actually good cars. They'll run forever, man. These Toyotas and Hondas, well, the older Hondas will, but this fired right up. Little hesitant. Like I said, you know, this one right here is just a beater with a heater and a somewhat working air conditioner, I guess. But you know, these seats right here, that's factory. You know, that's called the cooling leather split right there. That's factory. Let's see what we got under the hood of this puppy, which I already know, but I'm telling you, man, this Acura is beat up as it is. It runs good. I just did a tune-up on it. I should have video recorded it, but I wasn't thinking. Got new coils on it, new plugs, and she runs good, I'm telling you. Then we got this old piece of junk right here, this Expedition. Boy, that thing's a trooper, but it has the 3-valve Triton in it, man, and it's still going. It has almost 250,000 miles on it. But to me, it's a piece of junk. Well, anyways, guys, you know, trying to get some more content. Had some things happen. I had to get rid of the UTV that I had, but that's all right. I am working on getting another one, and just as soon as I do, there will be more videos on UTVs. And I don't want you guys to think that I'm leaving that, because I'm not, but I'm trying to do some other content too. Like I said, I'm in the process of trying to get my dealer's license, but my dad is the dealer. And but without further ado, I thank y'all for watching. I thank you for subscribing, and leave a comment and hit the like button, because there will be more cold starts. Thank y'all for watching and subscribing. Have a great day.